Hey, I never do this, but can I get your autograph? Been following you for a long time. Sign right there.
Puss slaps in the face of death. Bounty hunter.
So I've heard. Everyone thinks they'll be the one to defeat me. But no one's escaped me yet.
Alright, let's get it over with. Fear me, if you dare.
I just love the smell of fear. The Puss in Boots laughs in the face of death, right? But you're not laughing now.
Are no bounty hunter. You are
Death.